Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township, and today I will show you a step by step how to create this type mouse effect in WordPress using Elementor. So here you can see that when I am hovering my mouse or when I doing some changes to my mouse, the background is showing some effect. So today in this video we are going to create this effect, or we are going to learn how we can create this effect. So please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So first of all, let's go back to our pages section, and here in this home page I will click on my edit with Elementor. So once you will click on this edit with Elementor, you can see that my Elementor page builder is loaded. So what I will do, first of all, let me take this section which we have created earlier, and I am going to make it little bit more. So what I will do, I will change the height to fit to screen, so that this entire section will be covering one screen. So here I have set my height to this section of fit to screen. Now what I will do, I will go to this style, and here in this background type I can select a background image over here. So let me select that image. So I have already uploaded, let me upload that one. So here you can see that I have uploaded that background image, and then I have selected it. After that, here you will see we are getting these options like what we call positions. So let's change the position to center, attachment to default, repeat it should be no repeat, and then size you can make it like contain or whatever, you can set your size according to it. So now here you can see like we are not getting that mouse effect or anything from here. So how we can get that one? So first of all, let's again go back to our dashboard, and we have to use over here one of the Elementor plugin that we help us to do that mouse effect. So for this we have to use Elementor Pro. So whenever I am going to my plugins, you can see I don't have Elementor Pro, but I have already purchased it. So what I will do, I will upload it and install it now. So now you can see that I have activated my Elementor Pro. So what I will do now, let me refresh the Elementor page builder with whatever we have built. Once you will refresh it, you can able let's now again go to that section setting, and then here in style tab you can see I am getting the scrolling effect and mouse effect. So here what I have to do, I have to enable my mouse effect on, and then you are getting a mouse track option. So you can set it like direct. So when on which side you will move your mouse, it will, the image will go towards that. Like here you can see I am moving it towards right, the image is going right. I am moving it towards left, the image is going towards left. But I can also set it as opposite, like when I am taking it right, it is going towards left, when I am taking it to left, it is going towards right. And you can also set the speed like this, whatever speed you want to give. So I want to give it a speed of 0.6, and that's all. Now click on update, and we are done with this mouse effect. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. Thank you so much.